You kidding, mate? You kidding me? Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. Well, today a lost friend of ours has his car back. The Hyundai is fixed. So if you remember from like a few weeks ago, like a month, he actually hit a speed bump, and he didn't even did that fast, but the speed bump got stuck here on this front lip, and that just destroyed his whole front. So new bumper, new headlight, new intercooler, a lot of stuff, and eventually the repairs costed almost 10,000 euro. Luckily he has like an insurance on that, so he didn't have to pay it himself. But yeah, the car is finally fixed, and he is going to do a modification because he had to miss the car that long, our poor boy. And if you can see, there is no air intake on this. So yep, he's going for a Forge a Forge cold air intake. So yeah, I'm curious how the car will sound. So I am not going to do a tutorial how to install this because I have no freaking clue. We're only going to, you know, install it and then drive a little bit and have a little bit of fun. But yeah, I'm pretty curious how the car will sound. And of course, for the people who have taste and like good cars, the BMW is still over there, still nice and shiny, still doing great. So yeah, she's doing fine, nothing wrong with her, driving good. Not a modification incoming the next 2 weeks, but we have a few things planned, so don't worry. I actually met someone who is a very good rapper, so maybe we're getting the roof wrapped in black for a very decent price. And I've seen his work in real life, and he's a very good decent rapper, so maybe we're gonna do that. And then yeah, I'm not sure yet because we're still waiting on the intercooler to come in. And if the intercooler has arrived, then we're also going to do the intercooler modification. So yeah, there's still a lot of stuff planned with the car, don't worry. But today we're gonna have a little bit of fun with the Hyundai, because we had to miss it for a pretty long time, like almost a whole month, you know, with insurance claim and all that thing. It takes a while, so yeah. Okay, so everything is installed. It has the diverter valve and the Forge cold air intake, and now is going to show how loud it is. That's loud. And of course we are going to do a test drive and a flyby. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun. This is going to be pretty insane. Okay. So the intake noise is insane. Just here. Dan 180. Die weegt veel minder, hè?
Ja, maar dat is 1,6.
Ja, hij zit al in lage vitesse. Jawel. Ja.
Maar ik geef niet volle gas. Ik geef totaal niet volle gas, ik ben de hele tijd aan het remmen.
Ik had hier voorbij gegaan.
Nee, want ik zat niet gewoon mijn toren. Maar ik pak hem nu. Controle, werkt het?
Hier is Bimmer Belgium weer al. We draaien met een I30N. We zitten hier met sokken in de bek. Ja, we are driving nu door de flyover, hè? Not a fly under, hè? Weer, hè? zelf, hè. Hey, I want yes. I want play a song for you. It's Und Himmel an See.
Voor de YouTube.
It's for YouTube. Okay?
30 seconds only.
Abonneer en like. Peace out, motherfuckers.
So yeah, they stole my GoPro, and just to take them a little bit back, I put it in the video, so he will have his face on YouTube. Anyway, so what are we doing now? So we actually went to a place where I meet a lot with friends of mine, and then there I actually did some. We are going to shoot some. I already shot them, but anyway, some flybys with the cold air intake of the I30N. Which really sounds nice, I must say. And after that, we're actually going to race against an M2. It was an M2 which was tuned to 550 horsepower, and we just did a little lounge. And also my other friend who has a 118i, he got it stage 2 tuned now. So he wanted to actually do a little pull against me, so we're like, okay, I will do a little pull. But more with a lounge, so my semi-slicks actually have an advantage for once in a while. And then also the M2 decided to join the little race. And the results were not as you expected. Yeah, guys, that was the video for today. We were just having a little bit of fun with the E30N, and then having a little pull next to the M2, which I did not expect to actually keep up with until like 50-60 kilometers an hour. Never expected that, but as you can see, the semi-slicks hook up very, very well. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.